Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Naman. I'm the part of the founding team at RealBlocks. RealBlocks is a real estate capital markets platform built on Ethereum blockchain. We work with investors and provide them global access and liquidity for non-traded REITs and private placements. And we are excited because recently we signed a private equity fund, Colony Capital, which has $40 billion under management, and we will be selling their non-traded REIT offerings on our platform. $145 billion of capital is raised annually in the private real estate investment market, and all of that is illiquid and inaccessible. Our solution to this problem is fairly simple, a three-step process. A user gets onto the platform, there's a user onboarding with KYC AML conducted on the platform. They go to buy a share of a non-traded REIT using fiat US dollars as well as digital currencies, Bitcoin or Ether or other altcoins that we support, and eventually they can get liquidity by trading peer-to-peer. There's a big advantage, and we believe that by this method we are able to solve or liquidate like $44 billion of capital that is locked in illiquid assets in non-traded REITs and private funds. And the advantage of using the blockchain in the short term is that it provides a global distribution. So the institutional sponsors can reach out to the retail investors anywhere in the world. It provides an unparalleled, unprecedented liquidity, and Ether or any of the altcoins act as a universal currency. And when the blockchain ecosystem would eventually mature, we will have more efficiency of seamless transactions and no intermediaries, or all those costs would go further down. So the way the offering works is like we generate a feeder SPV that invests in the non-traded REIT. And the feeder SPV consists of a GP and LP structure, and we are essentially tokenizing the LP interest. And this is syndicated via three offerings: Reg D offering, which is for accredited investors; Reg S offering for international; and qualified purchaser offering. Our tech stack is built on Ethereum blockchain. And the best part of this is we have built in-house tech to ensure all the compliance and regulatory protocols on the top of this Ethereum blockchain. Our revenue model is fairly simple. We charge an upfront transaction commission of 3% and a management fee of 25 basis points. Our team consists of 6 people. Actually, some of them are right here to moral support me. Perrin is the founder and CEO of RealBlocks. He comes from a Barclays background and graduated from MIT. Other people have a strong background in real estate tech, finance, and blockchain, smart contract coding, as well as marketing. Our advisors come from some of the best names in the industry. So we have people from Goldman Sachs, we have people from crowdfunding platforms like Reality Shares, Reality Mogul, and also some awesome blockchain platforms like Salt, and as well as wealth management platforms like Betterment and Ground Matrix. Our partnership, we are working with Latham & Watkins here in New York. Our broker dealer is North Capital Private Securities, and on the compliance side, we are working with IdentityMind to ensure KYC and AML of each investor on our platform. In terms of competitive landscape, we see ourselves as very well positioned because we provide entire suite of services as compared to some of the other competitors in the space. So we are working on the capital market side as well as technology and the trading aspect as well. Our roadmap is a 3-phased approach. In the phase 1, we will be launching with a non-traded REIT, as I mentioned, Colony Capital. We already have a pipeline of $12 billion built in there. In the phase 2, we will be expanding those financial products and probably take more private placements and additional asset classes. And eventually in phase 3, we will be having our own real estate trading platform. We are right now in the process of raising a seed round, and we got very fortunate. Last week we got a term sheet. And eventually, once the platform is launched, which will happen sometime late next month, you will be able to see our non-traded REIT offering in there. So yeah, this is a broad overview of what we are and what we are doing. Happy to answer any questions.